Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my second Birchbox. And y'all, I'll put the first video that I did for Birchbox below. Birchbox is back, and they're better than ever, and we're hoping that they're going to be better than ever. That's my hope. And this is $20 a month, and it is 5 samples. You might get a full-size product or two. It's just something new and exciting, I'm hoping. They had a lot of trouble in the past, and they have revamped. And it is $20 a month. That includes your shipping and everything. And if you get it for more than a month at a time, you'll save money. It's $17 if you pay it by the year. I did that. But I also found a code online, and I saved a lot more money, and I'm paying less. Well, I paid for the whole year, but I got it for less than $15 a box. So that was a good deal to me. So Google it if you're interested in this. I don't have a code to give you. I'll have their website below. You have to Google coupons for Birchbox, and then you might find one. I found a really good one. So let me show you what's in here. How this works now is you get to customize all 5 of your items, which is really cool. So this is what it looks like. It does say, joy is being totally you. Isn't that nice? It's a nice sturdy box. This is a good box. You'll be seeing it shipped out with things in it, with giveaways and stuff in there for me. And this is the inside. There's a quick peek. And I got the first box I got might have been February's box, because I ordered at the end of February and I got the box in March. So I wasn't sure which it was. Well, now I did look on the website today because they said it was coming, and it's showing me these products are the March box. So I don't know if they're just behind with me and gonna catch up, or if they're always a month behind like that. You know, I'm not real sure. So I'm just gonna say this is my second box, and we'll go from there. And we'll see what happens if I get another box, because I did receive a couple of emails about customizing, but I received them in the same day. The first email, you choose from 4 items your first product. You choose from 4 items your second product. You choose from maybe 8 or 12 or 16 products, and you choose 3 out of that batch. Well, when I got the email and I went to do it, I picked my first product. The second wasn't there to choose 1 from the 4. It was to choose 3 from all the others. And I thought, well, okay, it skipped a step on me. It's okay, they'll send me another sample. I'll just get what I get, and I'll be happy with it. Because, you know, that's the fun of it, is getting the samples. And you know, to try new things, or even to try things or to get things again, what you didn't, you know, what you haven't, what am I trying to say? To get new things to try, okay? So later that day, this was on a Saturday, I believe. Later that day, I got another email saying it was time to customize. I thought, well, maybe they're catching up with me and they're going to send me 2 boxes this month. I don't think that's going to happen, because when I got that second email, it had a lot of the same products on it. So I think it was maybe a glitch of some sort, okay? So you know, they might still be working with their computers, with their software, whatever, okay? So because my very first choice, I had the choice of the Kosas Cloud Powder, which is in Birchbox this month, in April's Birchbox. And I did not pick it for April. It was a full-size product. Of course, this would be a sample. I didn't choose it. I don't think I chose it in Boxycharm either. I think I said Birchbox. I didn't choose it at all. Okay, I wouldn't mind getting it. I should have gotten the sample just to see what it was about. Camille is causing a lot of trouble. There also was a choice of Kosas brand blush or highlighter, and then also I'm sorry, not Kosas. I'm really messing up. She messes me up. I apologize. Okay. The choice was Kosas Cloud Finishing Powder in different colors. You could choose your color. There was Floss brand, a full-size mascara, a blush, and a highlighter. I chose the mascara the first time out. Then when it asked me to customize later that day, that choice was gone. Instead of being 4 choices that I just told you, there were just 2 choices. There was a Kosas Cloud Powder, and there also was the Floss Highlighter, which I believe is a full size. But so because it was changed, I said, and then also you always have another choice of you pick for me. And I wasn't sure what they were going to pick for me, if they would pick one of those two items or give me something totally different. So I said, you pick for me. Well, they gave me the floss highlighter. It took a lot of time to explain that. I'm sorry. She really throws me off. The thing about floss is their products are small, but I do believe this is full size. And this is the Brighten Up highlighter, and this is in the color Sunbeam. This comes in 3 different colors. They did not give me the choice, but I'm just telling you that from what I read about the products. It is a no brush needed highlighter, and it's formulated to give you a healthy glow no matter the weather. This silky smooth formula melts into the skin and blends seamlessly for an effortless and natural dewy look. I have so many highlighters open, I'm not going to use this. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but it has a beautiful texture to it. It's very, very beautiful. I've had floss highlighters before, and it's very beautiful, but I'm not going to use this right now. I may never use it. It may go in a giveaway. It says it's dewy, luminous glow, blends seamlessly. It comes in sunlight. This is sunbeam, and then sunset. So this is right in the middle. This is a rose gold with ultrafine gold pearl. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And the value of this, I think I wrote down the price of it. This is a $20 value, so this is full size. This pays for the box right there. Pays for the box. It comes in its own little box. And so cruelty-free and vegan and all, you know, Floss is a good brand. Okay, that was my first choice. My second choice was a Bella Pierre shimmer powder, you know, just a loose powder. There was Melloway brand, never heard of that. It was a brow gel, and it came in different colors. You could choose your color. There was Earth Harbor Tidal Toner Rose, Tidal Rose Toner. You know, it was a really beautiful. I probably should have got it. It was a small little bottle. Instead of being the full size, it was a small little bottle. And then there also was this Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. And that's what I chose. And this is, in the full size, this would be $38. So, Rare Earth Deep Pore. This, it says that it is, let's see, where is that? You know, I thought when you take down notes and then you can't find them, you know. Anyway, okay, when skin feels congested and grimy, hit reset with this purifying mask. Bentonite and Amazonian white clay remove dead skin and bacteria, which can clog pores and lead to uneven skin and breakouts. So it's really for breakouts. I don't know why I chose this, come to think of it, but it doesn't really have a scent, but there it is. It's a beautiful clay. I'm not going to use it. I just want to show it to you, okay? This is a nice, you'll be able to use a couple of times. And Kiehl's is a great brand. It's been around a long time. It's funny because I don't remember picking that. And maybe I didn't pick it. I don't remember, to tell you the truth. I have pictures of all these things. But I'm just a little befuddled at the moment. So anyway, okay, now the choice was you pick 3 items from this next batch, and they do give you the choice of saying you pick for me. You could choose that 3 times, the mystery. So there was Busy Beauty face wipes. There were 2. They were individually wrapped. There were 2 of those. That would be considered one thing. There was a deep cleansing oil, no brand. There was R&Co shampoo and conditioner. They were in packets, it said. There was a hair oil, number 4 brand hair oil. There was Comfort Zone face scrub, a green eye mask, just 1 set of eye masks. There was Laura Geller Bright and Balanced powder, which I like that, but it was in the color tan. They didn't give you a choice of colors. It was very dark. Would be great for dark skin or for bronzing or contouring possibly. I'm just not a person that does that. There was Provence Apothecary, a body oil. And then there were the 3 products that I chose. And sometimes I wonder, why do I choose these things that I've chosen? But anyway, I chose this because this, they said, was full size, okay? This is zero waste body wash sheets and plus. I don't even know if that, Clean with Plus, that's the brand. Clean, so the brand is Plus, Clean with Plus. Little package, big clean, just add water. And citrus and neroli, I'm not sure what that is 100% dissolvable pouches. Okay, so this I thought was really interesting. And this cost just $6.99. And like I said, full size, $6.99 for 10 washes. This is how it comes in here, okay? You've got 10 little packages. And we'll open one up. It says tear here with dry hands and then take out the sheet. And what you're going to do is you're going to, with your dry hands, open the sachet and then remove the body wash square and dissolve the empty sachet under the water. So this here opens. You take out this. It doesn't have any scent. And you can dissolve this package. So the fantastic for camping. That's what I thought about. This is soap. And you'll wet your body wash square and work it into a lather using your hands or your favorite loofah, it says. Cruelty-free, vegan, and this is soap. And you can use one of these to wash your whole body. You'll get enough soap on here. You know, get one of those sponges or a loofah, or, you know, those kinds of things. Get it all filled into there and then wash your whole body. Fantastic for your camper, fantastic for traveling, for a quick wash if you are traveling and you have to travel overnight, you know, and you're on a plane or whatever. You can do a quick, you know, wash on, you know, a little sponge bath kind of thing. You could use that in the little airport bathroom or something. I thought this was really cool. And there are 10 of them. So I will use, since I opened this, I'll use it and I'll let you know how it did. And I don't really go camping or anything, but I know some of y'all do. So I thought that was really cool. And you can buy this for $6.99. Great price if you are traveling or camping. You know, y'all, I forgot that there's a book in here. So there's a book, it says Birchbox, a pretty lady with some flowers, what do you call that on her head, crown on her head. And it says, this is telling you about some of the products, a few products that we love this month. So they are showing the Floss Beauty Rise Above Mascara that wasn't available to me. This is the Kosas powder. There's the Bella Pierre loose powder. These are the two the Busy Company face sheets. And then it has some little information. It's a nice little pamphlet about some different things in there, okay? And then my other two choices were these two products. And why, oh no, I'm sorry, this one. I chose another Kiehl's. This is the Ultra Facial Cream, and I really like this. I've had this before, and I've used it before. And this is, did I tell you that the Rare Earth Kiehl's is $38 for the full size. And then the face cream is $33 for the full size. And this is Ultra Facial Cream. It says 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with glacial glycoprotein, I think is what it says. So this is no scent at all. It just looks nice, rich, and creamy. It's really hard to see in there, but it's nice, rich, and creamy, it says. And I think it said it says that it is follow with an SPF. So if you use it in the morning, you'll have to use an SPF. It says it's a new improved formula made without parabens, without carbamide, and TEA. This super hydrating face cream combats dry skin by continuously drawing in moisture from the air throughout the day. Interesting stuff. So I thought that was interesting. All right, Camille. And then the last thing that I chose was this, just for fun. This is Ellis Brooklyn brand, and it's Myth, and it is an eau de parfum. So let's see what that's all about. I thought, you know, let's try something different. This is really pretty. There's these little squigglies, so of course Camille is over here. This is nice size. It is a, you know, a sample size, but it's, I mean, it's way bigger than a sample. It's a deluxe sample or whatever you want to call it. So let's see what it smells like. Let's see if it's going to be, all right, it screws open. Oh, it's a roller ball. Let's see. I'm going to put some on. Oh, it smells pretty. It smells very pretty. It's called Myth. Can you see that there? Myth, M-Y-T-H. It smells, it's very soft smelling, powdery even a little bit. That might not be the best way to describe it. It's very light and summery. It's pretty, and I think it's perfect for summer. So I did use it. I'm not a big perfume person, so I don't, oh, I like it though. It's not real florally, although it smells a little florally. It's not really strong. I guess that's a good way to put it. I don't like things that are too strong. And what I just do with my wrist, you're not supposed to do, but I do that anyway. Anyway, I thought this was a fun box. So I've got the perfume. I've got the 2 Kiehl's products. I've got these fabulous bath shower things. What else do I have? Camille's, she's just, oh, the full-size floss. She's on it. The full-size floss highlighter. Here it is. The box just fell. Full size. So that's what I got in my Birchbox, and I think it's all on the floor now, y'all. Thanks for stopping. I wanted to show you what I was wearing. I don't know why Camille really messes me up, but she does. I have on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Slippy. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's so creamy. It feels fabulous. It's called Lychee. Lychee brand. A Lychee color is the color. I'm having trouble today, y'all. And then the Milk Cosmetics. This is the Bad Side Coat Zodiac Air. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, which I am none of those. And I really like it. And it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's what I have on. Thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.